Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about sedative and hypnotics. The sedative are CNS depressant drug. They reduces tension, anxiety, aggression and make the person calm and quiet. And they produces drowsiness, for example diazepam. These are the drug which depresses the CNS as well as they reduces the tension of the patient, anxiety, aggression and make the person calm and quiet. Hypnotics are also a CNS depressant drug. They produces sleep similar to natural sleep. These hypnotics are also a CNS depressant drug, but they produces a sleep like natural sleep. Example diazepam. For both the sedative as well as hypnotics, the example is diazepam, but the drug dosage differs. For example, note, see here, it is an important one. Sedative at higher doses acts as hypnotics. If we give sedative in more amount doses, it acts as hypnotics. Hypnotic drug at lower doses acts as sedative. When the sedative is given higher, it acts as hypnotics. When the hypnotics is given lower, it acts as sedative. When the hypnotics given higher, it acts as general anesthetic drug. Please do remember this. Now we will see about the classification of the hypnotics and sedative drug. First, benzodiazepine. Benzene ring plus diazepine ring is seen here. Long acting, it is divided into two types, which is long acting as well as short acting. Long acting are diazepam, clonazepam, flurazepam, clobazam, chlorodiazepoxide, ethiazolam. Short acting are lorazepam, nitrazepam, triazolam, midazolam, alprazolam. Then barbiturates. Barbiturates are phenobarbital, pentobarbital, thiopentone, methoxyhexitone. Z drugs are, they starts from the letter Z, so they are known as Z drugs. Zolpidem, zolplicone, zaleplon. These are the Z drugs which are used recently. And the miscellaneous drug which are chlorohexhydrate, chloral hexhydrate, hydrazine, ethyl alcohol, trichloride, diphenhydramine, which is known as Benadryl. We all know the Benadryl. This is a cough syrup. And promethazine. These are the miscellaneous. These are the classification of the hypnotics and sedative drugs. Now we will see about the diazepine. It is a sedative and hypnotic drug. It belongs to benzodiazepine group of drug, very commonly used as sedative hypotonic drug. These diazepams belong to the benzodiazepine as we seen in the classification, and it is very commonly used in sedative hypnotic drug. Mechanism of action. The site of action is midbrain in ascending reticular activating system and the limbic system, where the thought and mental functions have been generated. These are the two areas where these diazepam drug act. The GABA neurotransmitter in the brain, it is an inhibitory transmitter. It action on GABA side on the GABA A receptor, and the chloride gate channel are open and more chloride enters into the cell and produces hyperpolarization. The diazepine acts on benzodiazepine site on GABA receptor. This GABA receptor action is produce a new inhibitory impulse. So the diazepam stimulates the action of GABA. So there is more inhibitory impulse. So the action of diazepam is sedative action, which is anti-anxiety action, and hypnotic action produces a sleep similar to natural sleep. These are the actions of the diazepam, and you will see about the sleep. There are two types of sleep, which is non-rapid eye movement sleep, which is known as NREM sleep, which is orthodoxial sleep. The muscles are relaxed, occupies 70% of the sleep, and heart rate, BP, respiration are normal. These are the normal sleep which occupies 70% of the sleep. The rapid eye movement, which is known as paradoxical sleep. Dreams in sleep, which is a nightmares. If we dream in the sleep, the nightmares, there is a fluctuation of heart rate, BP and respiration. So, this rapid eye movement sleep is controlled by hypnotics, which suppresses this action of sleep. If we give diazepam, this action gets suppressed. And it is used in anticonvulsant action. It increases the seizure and threshold and acts as anticonvulsant drug. And it is used in general anesthesia. Diazepam in IV produces general anesthetic for 1 to 2 hours for minor surgeries. And muscle relaxation. Skeletal muscles are relaxed well, and the diazepam depresses the polysynaptic neuron in the spinal cord. Therapeutic uses. The therapeutic uses are anxiety. Diazepam reduces fever, tension, aggressiveness of the person and makes him calm and quiet. For example, these are the drugs which used as anti-anxiety: alprazolam, diazepam, midazolam. In insomnia, sleeping less than 6 hours at night, which the diazepam 5 mg or nitrazepam 5 mg or lorazepam are used in the night. Anticonvulsant use. The diazepam used in status epilepticus lasting for up to 1 to 2 hours. General anesthetic use. Drug is given in IV for use for minor surgery lasting for 1 to 2 hours. It is used in skeletal muscle relaxation, used in muscle spasm, sprain, strain and other spasm condition. And it is used in pre-anesthetic use to make the patient tension free or fear. If the patient is going for a surgery, he used to fear whether he will be good or bad on the next day after surgery. So, it is used when these drugs are given, it is used as to free the tension of the patient and as well as the fear of the patient, and to produce a good muscular relaxation. And diazepam is used for 1 hour before the general anesthesia or 1 day before. Adverse reaction: drowsiness, unable to concentrate on work, lethargy and ataxia, tolerance and drug addiction. These are the adverse reaction of the hypnotic and sedative drugs. Benzodiazepine poisoning. These are done accidentally overdose or intentionally overdose. Intentionally means for suicidal purpose. The symptoms of this benzodiazepine poisoning is deep sleep, coma, hypotension, feeble heartbeat, respiration, respiratory depression and death. These are the symptoms of this benzodiazepine poisoning. The treatment given to is gastric lavage. Universal antidote. For any poisoning treatment which is taken orally, this is given, which is known as universal antidote: charcoal plus tannic acid. Ventilator support is given. Dopamine in IV to raise the BP and heart rate, and alkaline diuresis is given with sodium bicarbonate, and furosemide in IV and dextrose in IV is given. These are the treatment of the poisoning. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe my channel.